Good morning students, welcome to your beautiful channel that is 33.physics for you. In this video lecture we are going to solve unsolved example of chapter 8 that is gravitation, and the example which we are going to solve is 8.15 exercise 8.15, or if you want you can write unsolved example 8.15. A body weight 63 Newton on the surface of Earth. Weight of body is 63 Newton on the surface of Earth. What is the gravitational force on it due to Earth at a height equal to half of the radius of Earth? We want to find weight at height h, or gravitational force at height h. If you want to write, you can write force at height h, which is at a height of half of the radius re by 2, where re is radius of Earth. Now here we know that weight of body on the surface of Earth is gravitational force acting on a body on the surface of Earth, and that is equal to m into ge. Let us write E on the surface of Earth, and which is given as 63 Newton. Let this be equation number 1. At height h, the gravitational force acting on it will be F of h, which will be equal to m into g of h, that is m into gme upon re plus h whole square. This is the formula for gravitational acceleration at height h. So this will be equal to m into gme over re plus h is re by 2 whole square. So that is equal to m into gme over, if you take LCM, this is 2re plus re is actually 3re by 2 whole square. So therefore f of h will be equal to m into gme over, if you square this, 3 square will be 9 re square over 4, so into 4 you can write. So this will be equal to 4 by 9 times m into gme over re square. Now gme over re square is ge, so you can say that this is 4 by 9 times m into ge. Let this be equation number 2. Taking ratio of equation 1 and 2, taking ratio of equation 1 and 2. Look, you should know that gme upon re square is nothing but ge. So if you take ratio of equation 1 and 2, f of h over f of e will be equal to 4 by 9 times mge over m into ge. So this term will get cancelled out. F of h over f is 63 will be equal to 4 by 9. So this implies that f of h will be equal to 4 into 63 by 9. 9 7s are 63, 7 4s are 28. So answer will be 28 Newton. So the gravitational force acting on a body at a height equal to half of the radius of Earth will be 28 Newton if its weight on the surface of Earth is 63 Newton. Look, the same example can be asked in the form of MCQ for 1 mark. So in that case, you can easily remember a shortcut trick. Look, we got here, if you simplify this equation, you can say that force at some height will be equal to 4 by 9 times Fe. But here, this condition is valid only if h equal to re by 2. Instead of re by 2, if you take re by n, let us take re by n. If the same example, you can write h is equal to re by n for h is equal to re by n at a height equal to re by 3, re by 7, something like that. Then in that case, f of h will be equal to, if you simplify this, this will be re by n. So n re plus re is n plus 1 re, right, by n. So you will get this as F equal to GMEM over n plus 1 by n into Re whole square. So this will be equal to n square over n plus 1 whole square into f of E. Here it is n is 2, right? In this case n is 2. You can see we have written Fe by n. So n is 2. So 2 square will be 4 and 2 plus 1 3 square is 9. So 4 by 9. So this will be a standard equation for solving MCQ. Force at some height h will be equal to n square upon n plus 1 whole square into Fe, or you can write n upon n plus 1 whole square into Fe, where n is actually Re by 2, then this we are taking n, right? This is our n. Okay.